Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am on day 23 of 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter. We only got 2 days after this, man. 2 days. It's been fun. I have enjoyed it. This is square shaped. I betcha. I think I know what this is. Well, let's see. It's the red truck puzzle. How many pieces? 1,000 pieces. She wants me to lose my mind. But you know what? I wonder how big it is. Does it tell you how big it is? Oh, 19 by 25 by 26.6. I'm going to see, because I had an idea, because she got me the little Bob Ross one, which is sitting nicely underneath my Christmas tree, of getting a frame with that dimension, putting the puzzle again together, and then picking the pieces up and gluing them and putting them all in a frame. This, I might do this, try to do the same. This is cool. I remember when she got these. Look at fresh produce. That look so cute hanging in my kitchen in a frame, because my kitchen is country. So this would work good. The little puppy dogs. Thank you, Sabrina. Even if you want me to lose my mind doing a puzzle. But I think it'd be fun and challenging for me. So, love it. Awesome sauce. She just wants me to lose my mind. I think that's what her end game is. 2 puzzles and 1 Christmas gift. Christmas exchange. She wants me to lose my mind. I'm just kidding. Thank you so much for the puzzle. I love it. Especially because it's a truck. And even if I never do it, I'll just set the box like this. Just kidding. I will talk to you later. Merry Christmas, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Merry Christmas!